Oh,
Hụrụ M N'Anya. Hụrụ M N'Anya.
Before I knew his voice, he already called my name. Before I found my way,
He was already searching for me. Oh, Hụrụ M N'Anya. There were nights my heart was heavy, and tears became my silent prayer. I felt unworthy of forgiveness, yet your mercy found me there.
when I wandered far from your presence, you did not let me go.
Like a shepherd seeking the lost one, you brought me safely home.
The world may judge my failures,
But your grace rewrote my story.
you took my shame and brokenness
And filled my life with glory.
How can I keep silent
After all you've done for me?
My soul must sing
Forever of your amazing love. Oh, Hụrụ M N'Anya.
Nabanyeri mayhem,
Oh, Hụrụ M N'Anya.
nabanyeri adirige.
When I was lost, you found me. When I was broken, you healed me. Oh, Hụrụ M N'Anya.
And his love never fails. He carried me through every battle,
You stood beside me in the storm.
when fear surrounded me like darkness.
Your presence kept me warm.
You opened doors I could not open.
You made a way where none appeared.
Every blessing in my journey
Reminds me that you have been here. Your love is deeper than the ocean, higher than the skies above.
Nothing in this world can separate me from your everlasting love. Oh, nabanyeri mayhem,
Oh, Hụrụ M N'Anya.
nabanyeri adirige.
When I was lost, you found me. When I was broken, you healed me. Oh, Hụrụ M N'Anya.
And his love never fails. Amaya turume, ihunanya ya nadia kusi.
Ebube dịrị Chineke.
If I had 10,000 tongues, there would not be enough to thank you for the cross or the greatness of your love.
You knew my